If you have a pooch belly or a lower abdomen that protrudes outwards, this isn't necessarily just fat, and there is a common biomechanical explanation as to why this happens. Pooch bellies occur in both males and females, and they tend to occur in people that have a genetic predisposition towards a pelvic floor that is descended. These people also tend to have a little bit more of a forward pelvis, so pressure and the contents of their abdomen tend to be pushed forward and down, which is represented by the pooch. This can be magnified even more if people have a slouched posture where their sternum is being pulled down, they have forward shoulders, and that makes this push out more. People with a pooch belly tend to have a little bit of a breathing limitation where they can't expand these upper ribs here. So the goal would be to shift things upwards within the upper body. So if you imagine the water as the contents of my abdomen, then if I get myself in an inverted position with my hips above the level of my head, you can see what that does. A way you can do this is find a bench or a couch and get in this position. The easy version of this would be to keep your hands on the floor right here, keep your head relaxed and in a neutral position, and take long deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Resting your forearms on the floor is how you can get even more inverted. Just make sure you keep your hips slightly tucked underneath you and you keep your head relaxed and neutral. It's very common for people to get self-conscious about the pooch belly, but I just want people to know that there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's just a very common way for the body to organize itself. I wanted to address the biomechanics of it, and improving the respiration strategy often has carryover into helping people feel better in other areas of their body as well.